Alright, today we're working on a 2012 Kia Sorento EX all-wheel drive. Going to be replacing the crankshaft position sensor, or the engine crankshaft position sensor. This Kia had a crank no start condition. It's located here underneath this plate you just saw. So let's get to it. Right up there, right by the exhaust manifold almost, okay? You got to take that plate off first. Once you get the plate removed, then you can get to the sensors. One 10mm bolt. I believe all the bolts are 10mm. You simply have to kind of contort yourself, go up above the axle. You have to remove that plate, and they actually leave a spot for the cord to run out of it to plug up into the top by your breather or air filter. Wrench in there, you can get it right off. I would use a flex head ratchet, 1/4 inch drive. There's the sensor removed. Sometimes when you remove that tin, you got to kind of wiggle it out of there. It can be a little tricky to do, but it shouldn't be too bad. So once you get the sensor off, and you want to go ahead and move forward here, then you come back in with your new sensor, and you're going to go ahead, we'll go back up in here again, right here. You may want to wait to plug it up top, because you don't want to have issues with trying to get the wire wiggled around to go out through the corner of that plate. It is the metal cover plate is like some type of exhaust shield, and what it essentially does is it just protects it from heat. I have the wire routed, and we're going to snug these down also. Check it out right here. You can see I've got everything back installed. That wire is routed perfectly. It runs up through the top. I'll show you here in a second when I plug it back in. Once everything's snug, you're good to go. Here I'm plugging it back in. This is where you plug it in at. Simply snips right into place. You just get it right there and you snip it right in. There's about 3 or 4 little sensors that run right along here. I believe one is your oxygen sensor, one's to one of your valves. But if you just get it right here and you snip it into place, you're all good to go. You have a crank no start condition. It's going to more likely be, especially if you have the code for this sensor, it's going to be that sensor. This is a 2.4 liter dual overhead cam on this Kia Sorento. Shaft position sensor will be located. Pretty much everything was a 10mm bolt, honestly. If you have a 10mm bolt, a flex head ratchet, or just really probably can use a regular ratchet, but really a 10mm is all you need. Whatever auto store you prefer, make it happen. Napa too. Okay, got it done. I'm checking it right here with my computer. As soon as I put my computer on and check it, didn't even have to clear it. Code's gone.